You already know how Telegram's signal copier executes trades automatically on MT4. Now, for traders who use cTrader, this video will let you know how to connect TSC to your trading platform and execute trades in a simple way. So, basically, Telegram's signal copier acts as a bridge between Telegram and cTrader. Instead of watching channels, switching platforms, and placing trades manually, the system reads incoming signals and converts them into live trades almost instantly. First, download the latest version of Telegram's signal copier from the official website and install it on your system or VPS. However, for testing and learning purposes, a regular Windows computer works perfectly fine. After installation, open the software and connect your Telegram account. This step only grants permission to read messages from your selected channels or groups. It does not provide access to your account or allow any external control. Next, log in to the TSC client portal using your credentials and navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you will find the option to add up to 3 accounts. Now, open your cTrader software, copy your account number, paste it into the portal, and click Add Account. Then, go to the TSC installation folder, locate the cTrader bot file, and double-click it to install. Click Start cBot, and at the top, you should see that the TSC EA has been installed successfully. After that, open cTrader and move to the Algo section. Scroll down slightly, and you will see the Telegram Signal Copier EA listed there. You can customize your EA from the Parameters section available on the screen. Alternatively, you can use the Add Algo option to customize your EA from there as well. Now, return to the TSC software and enter your cTrader account number again. Then, enable the channel from which you want to receive trade signals and automate execution. Copy the channel ID and paste it into the Channel IDs field at the top of the Parameters section. Next, click Add to Chart. Double-click the EA bot again, and you will see the full configuration panel. Allow access to the bot and open your Telegram account. Send a dummy signal to test whether everything is working correctly. You will notice that as soon as the signal is sent, the trade is executed automatically without any delay. Before finishing, there is one more important step: configuration. This stage defines how your trades will be executed. You can set your preferred lot size, define stop-loss and take-profit rules, apply symbol filters, and adjust execution parameters. With these settings in place, trades follow your predefined rules instead of random signal execution. As a result, automation operates within your personal risk management framework. If you still face any difficulties, simply re-watch the video for guidance. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more solutions related to signal copying. See you in the next one.